dating a foreigner? Yes or no? Can I ask you something? Oh, they're running! Oh Lord! Beautiful Filipina guy. Yeah. Guys, she's really shy. Okay. Excuse. Lulangga. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to swim. I will take you to the falls, guys, in Cambugahay. So I'm going to pay now. Since that I'm from Maria town, I only pay for 30 pesos. Yeah. Hi sir. Abong. Abong lagi. Kumusta?
Fine.
Yeah. Wala, sir. Dagan pagsisilyo din sa auto. Yeah. Thank you so much. Today is Wednesday and you know, it's May 20. Yeah, so there's May. I'm gonna give this ticket there. Let's go. This is good for legs, guys. Hello, nanay. Kumusta? Na-enjoy mo? You know what? The water is not really clear. I think it's been raining. You know what? There's many people are coming, so maybe I'll go there. Let's explore. I don't want to waste my time here, guys. Let's go. I don't see a lot of foreigners for now. It's mostly local. Hello. Asa man tong ako amigong kamay tao si Ira sa tinga to. Kamay. Kalimot ko. Hello. Taga-asa mo. Pagadian dito. Ah, they're from Pagadian, guys. Say hello. Beautiful Filipina guy. Yeah. Taga diri lang, Maria. Iburing ako sa balay, laag ko. Nice to meet you, enjoy. Okay. Yeah, she said it's really nice here. Let's go, let's go. Wow, it's so slippery, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Taga-asa mo?
Taga-Mitsaya.
Asa ron?
North Cotabato.
North
Province of Cotabato.
Where are you staying here then?
Yes, first time pa.
First time then where are you staying? San Juan. So what place? Like how much it costs to?
I don't know the cost, but we have been here
For 3
days.
Oh, like the stay?
Yeah.
Nag-church lang kayo?
Yeah.
Rose Villa,
Okay.
worth 5,000.
Nice, enjoy! Lovely ladies! Hi! Thank you, nice to meet you! So, wow! Okay, Cotabato, that's kind of far, guys! Look at this! Wow, amazing! Oh my god, it's a long queue! We have 2 ways, look at that! Struggle is real, but look. Can you walk like this, guys? Look at this. Hello. Mayong hapon. Hello. Oh my God, so many sexy ladies here. So I will check up there and we'll see how many people there. Cause I prefer to swim in the other side. He put this one so that nobody can walk in there because I think it's dangerous. This is brilliant idea. What do you think, guys? You know what? Since that Ann Curtis visit this place, this side it's gonna be crowded now because before nobody noticed this, you know, like nobody comes here, only few people. But since Ann Curtis did a fairy walk swing, That's why people are going there to make a video for that. Yeah, it's viral. She's really famous actress in the Philippines. Hi.
You have a nice smile.
Oh, thank you. he said, you have a nice smile. Yeah, always do. This is what I told you. People are waiting for their turn just to do this swing. Okay, go. Nice. She's really pretty and sexy. Comment down below. I'm gonna ask this Filipina. Hi, I have a question. Are you waiting for your turn to try the fairy walk?
No, we're just watching.
You're just watching?
Yeah, we're not fairy like.
Why not? You should try.
No.
No, you're just enjoying watching them? Okay, what's your name?
Evangeline.
Evangeline, guys. She's really pretty and sexy. How old are you? 19. Wow, so young. Sana all. So, who's with you then? With your mom or auntie? Auntie, aunt. Okay. Interested dating a foreigner? Yes or no? Why not? So are you scared with foreigners? She's really shy, guys. Oh my god, I don't think I can. Hi. Hi. Can I ask you something? Oh, they're running. Oh Lord. Taga-asa mo. Okay. Magbisaya na lang mo para dili mo mudalagan. Where are you guys from? Negros Occidental. Wow.
Yeah. And
So
I'm
you-
from Bataan.
Bataan. Wow, what's your name?
Hanafi.
Anafe?
Hanafi.
Hanafe, nice name.
How about you, ma'am?
Me?
Where you from?
I'm from here, Sikihor. Yeah.
I'm vlogger. You're
Vlog- Yeah.
What's your Facebook page?
It's YouTube.
Can I get a sticker?
Yeah, I think I have. Hold on. Guys, I think I still have. Hey, follow me. I have new followers. Ay, si Nanay. Kumusta, Nanay? Okay, bye. Hi. Tugnaw? Ay! Ay! Mura lagi siya gumabaw. Ala?
Nasa mo ka, ma'am?
Taga... Dire. Ikaw, taga sa ko.
Kasi palay pa mi, negros pa mi.
Asa mo stay? Samukin? Ah, dire rasa lagi? Ah, okay. Unsay nga mo?
Risa.
Yeah, her name's
Hindi
Riza.
ka kalago sa mga daw na tumabits mo.
As si Palay no, hindi ano na ko dia. I've been there like 2018. Yeah, I was there. It's really nice there. Yeah, she's from Sipalay, guys.
Nag-vlog ka, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you single? Single? How old are you?
25.
Wow, 25. Very young. I have a question for you. Are you interested dating a foreigner? Yes or no? Wait, you're look at her, guys. No. Oh, this is the second time I asked a Filipina if they are interested dating a foreigner, but no. Why?
I don't like abang.
Yeah, she's not interested.
Biliran ako type ng abang.
Yeah,
Sinuyra ko, oy.
she's not really into foreigner. She prefers Filipino. Oh.
Ano pangalan sinunukon mo?
Sissy Kelly Travel. Oh, guys, it's really good actually. Oh my God. Oh.
Wait ka ito mag-fairy walk, ma'am?
Ah, daghang kayong pila. Uy!
Gano'n daw ang pila.
Ikaw, nakapa-fairy walk na ka? Daghang kayong pila. She's asking me, you wanna do a fairy walk? I don't think so. There's many people. Look at this. Oh my God. This is so slippery. I'm curious what's in there. Let's have a look. Okay. Ay! You know what? The sensation is kind of muddy, guys. Oh Lord. I'm gonna put the camera here. Let's see. I see a lot of fish. Can I do a fairy walk here? Good luck. You know what, guys? I think I suggest you to come here early in the morning so that nobody's are here. Like it's not crowded if you come early. That's what I mean. Oh my God. It's just good to see people are enjoying, watching new people, meeting new people. It's good. I'm loving this. Really people here. Oh my God. Hi. Long time no see, but now see now. Ay, kumusta? Balik na gana na, di na ko mong fairy walk diha. Balik. Slippery, oh my God. You gotta hold this one, because otherwise you're gonna fall. Excuse. Lalangga. You gotta be careful when you're walking in here, guys. Wala, I see fishes there. Look at here. Oh Lord, can I go there? Hala, I think they're gonna make a float. Yeah, I don't know if this is done, but I think it's not yet done, guys. You see. Bawal? Okay. Musur, mulantar ako. Bawal, gyud. I can't go there. Oh, Lord. Wow, I see. There's this is like a cave. I don't know if you can see that, but look. That one there. Gasa ka lang ga. Cebu. Ikaw, kisa kayo mo. Mga perkada? Cousin. Amo ba? Wala single? Decided. Guys, she's really shy. So what's your first impression nga makakita ang foreigner, like sa experience? Tulbo! Ay, nervous! Very nervous. Why? Gano'n man? First time mo ba? First time pa ni mo magkita mo yung first time? Oh, ito ko mo. Really? Oh no! They meet and then he's getting nervous. He's from Germany, right? He visited once? Once only? Sabi sige gabang mo chat. Every day. Eh, are you okay with that? Like long distance lang? Okay ra, pero at least mag-isita. So, pwede ba di? Pwede ba pagdili ya? Foreigner are so friend lang. So you just dating online, like only friend, getting to know each other. Pero how 2 years, ha? Pero wala ko ni entertainment. Okay, that's good. She said she's not entertaining with other guys. So I think you really like this guy. How old is he? 52? You are 21? 22. 22. Wow, big age gap. Age doesn't matter as long as you're in love. Sure ka nga, dili relasyon? 2 years? Good. Getting to know each other for 2 years. Guys, what do you think? Agay, lalaki mo mga very ay. Video? Ano ba ni? Yeah, they're from Maria also, guys. What's your name? Yes. Ganan ka sa Tihor? Ay, taga Minalong ko ka? Ah! Abi ko kuan kami.
Kami na ko yung kapura nito.
Uy, na dagang kinasundid ko. Ay, kanang kalwaki.
Kasi kailan nga mo po.
Nga, it's been a while. Don't eat your things, guys. Relax, hot mama, guys. I'm so glad that I meet this beautiful lady. Is it titingnan mo? Jamaica. Okay. What's happening here? Somebody's biting my butt. Oh, Lord. What's going on? What? Atay! Hindi ka rin lang dito pamaa. Ano? Oh, nanay, sana all. Kusgan. Hey guys, I meet this French guy. Yeah. He lives here for 4 months. And he's going back to his place. I mean, the country. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know where's my friends. Hello. It was nice to talk to that lady, guys. You know, she's gay. She said, you know, that she's dating this German guy, but online. But there's no level. I don't know, I get confused with her answer, to be honest.
Are you a blogger?
Oh, yeah.
Time.
Yeah.
Everybody asks me on those, are you a blogger? But not yet. I make amazing videos.
Yeah, I'm vlogging because this is my job. Yeah, exactly.
Blogging only in your island.
I also did some interview with Filipina on my main channel. Yeah, because I have 2 channels, sir. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna have a ice cream, guys.
I tried yesterday, you can know this one, I'm sure. And yesterday I tried charcoal ice cream.
Ah, charcoal! Oh my god.
Nobody know in Europe. I mean, it's like, and they say it was made with the charcoal of the cocoa. That's correct?
Yeah, it's not really a charcoal. It's
What is it?
like, I don't know what, it's like mangoes. I think that it's not really a charcoal, but they call it charcoal because it's black.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
when you eat it in a little, like a little piece inside, like, and for me, it's like, oh, it looks like real charcoal. But flavor wise, it's charcoal.
Yeah, they sell charcoal ice cream. I like it, but my favorite one is mango.
Yeah, mango is
Mango, yeah. Nice talking to that Frenchman. Yeah, I think I'm leaving soon, guys. But I'm gonna get some ice cream first, of course.
Hi guys!
Hello! Kumusta mo?
Followers ako ni madam!
Very nice people. It's less people here than there, guys, because I think it's because of that Fairy Walk. Yeah. Look what I got here, guys. Skittles! I don't think if I need ice cream. Hello. Yeah, you know what? Shout out to my friend for this outfit. For this bikini outfit. Love it. Oh, sorry, nanay. Yeah. So good. It's actually good, guys. You know what? I think I'm going to end this vlog because I already did a lot of videos up there. So, if you're enjoying watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a nice comment, what's your thoughts about this Cambugahay Falls and talking to these people.